Welcome to GCP Google Cloud Platform Beginner Series, Session 1. Today we are going to see how to create a free tier account in Google Cloud Platform. This free tier account is valid for a period of 90 days with a credit of around $300. In Indian currency, it is roughly around 26,000 to 28,000. Okay. To create a free tier account, first we need to go to google.com. Let me open that. So I am already here. Once you come here, just type Google Cloud Platform here. Okay, just select this Google Cloud Platform option. After this, select free trial and free tier option. Just click on this. Once you come to this page, just click on Get Started for free. Okay, it will take you to the next page where you need to enter your valid email ID. Let me enter my email ID 4002@gmail.com. Okay. Click on next. It will ask to sign in. Just click on sign in. Again, it will ask next. Click on next. Just enter your password. So once you are done with your password, click on next. So you will come to this particular page where you have some few steps here. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, we have total two steps. First step is about account information. Okay, first select the country. Okay, so select India. After that, click on agree and continue. Okay, once you click this, you will land to the next page. In this page, you need to provide the basic details like contact information and payment method. So in the contact information, already I have provided the details, but let me show you how to enter those details. Click on change. Just click on add name and address. Just select this plus symbol. So you need to select your organization name, your legal name, your street address, so your town. Next, you need to select the area pin code. You need to select respective state. After this, just click on save. Now I am going to cancel this because already I have entered the details. Okay, after this, you need to make the payment. So this is a payment method. Just click on this change option. We have three payment options. So I'm going to select add credit or debit card. So it's better to use a credit card, Visa or MasterCard. Just click on this credit or debit card. Just enter the card number, month and year, CVV, and the card holder name here, and then click on Save Card. After saving the card, it will show one authentication page where it will ask you to enter the OTP. You need to enter the OTP. After that, let me cancel this. Okay. After that, what happens? It will ask you to pay a amount of rupees around 1,000 rupees. It's a one-time amount. It's a prepayment amount to complete the free tier account. Once this prepayment has been credited to your account, it will give you a credit of around $300 in your Google Cloud console. Okay, it is valid for a period of 90 days. And this particular 1,000 rupees is refundable. When they will provide the refund means after 90 days, once your training sessions and practical sessions are completed, when you are closing that account, you need to close the billing account, you need to send a mail to the Google team. Once you send that mail, what happens, your 1,000 rupees whatever debited now, it will be refundable to your bank account after 90 days when you close that particular account. Okay, this is how you need to create a account. Once you create this account like this, you will come to a page like this. So once you log in with your mail id, it will come like this. So here my name is Mahesh DevOps 1010 at gmail.com. Okay, it will show like you have activated your full account, and also it will give you a free credit of rupees 26,000 rupees In this, I have used already 98 rupees. Okay, this particular account will expire on December 16, 2025. It's valid for 90 days. I created in September, so October, November, and December. 3 months it is valid. Okay, these credits, it is like pay as you go. Like how much you use the resources, that much you need to pay to that particular Google team. Okay, so this is how you create a Google Cloud thing. Okay, this is a burger icon. You can click this burger icon, and you can see the remaining things like IAM and admin, Vertex AI, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Storage, some security and all. So you can start using the GCP cloud resources once you create your free account. So you can practice for almost 90 days. That's all for today, for today's session. The remaining things will be continued in the next session, session 2. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the channel, and share the channel so that the reach will be more. Thank you everyone. That's all for today.